Hi fam, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be trying this natural hair growth recipe. Yeah, I saw it on YouTube and decided to try it. So we'll be using three ingredients: rosemary leaves, cloves, and cinnamon sticks. For rosemary leaves, I read that it helps to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. While for cloves, it protects the scalp from dandruff, and dandruff is the major cause of hair breakage. And for cinnamon stick, they all contain antioxidants. Then cinnamon helps to control hair loss. So reading about these three things, like, they are so good and they support hair growth. So I was just like, okay, let me give it a try. Yeah, let's try this out, guys. So I decided to give it a try. I got my three ingredients from the market: rosemary leaves. I think that one came in a sachet. Yeah, then cloves. For the cloves, they tied it 100 naira. Then the stick, I think they tied two for 200. Yeah, guys, so this is the hair we're going to be working with. But guys, I know after I finished boiling it, I boiled the three like you saw. I boiled them together. Yeah, then I filtered the water and put into my spray bottle. Yeah, after that I left it for some days. It wasn't intentional, guys. Yeah, I was just being tired and yeah, to do it that same day. So I just left it for some days before I tried it on my hair. Yeah, fam. These three ingredients, they are so powerful. Like, they are so good. Aside from hair growth, also for health, they are so good. Like, I read about them. The rosemary leaves, cinnamon stick, and cloves. Yeah, they are so good. Very, very good for health in general. Yeah, fam. So I did this. After doing it, I parted my hair into 4 sections, and I make sure to spray in very well, like to properly, how will I even put it safe, properly spray the whole stuff into my hair. Yeah, so I can see the effect, and I can come back to give you guys the testimony if it was good or bad. Yeah, my experience from it. Yeah, fam. So you just watch to the end of the video to see the whole process of how I did it. I don't know why I'm talking so fast. That's up till now we're still here. So guys, yeah, this is like 2 days later when I finally tried it. I finally tried those mixture on my hair. Yeah, I usually part my hair like this so it doesn't get very tangled whenever I want to plait it or whenever I want to do something to my hair. Yeah, fam. So this is me gently applying the mixture to my hair. Yeah, and I think I did this 2 days ago, and so far one of the testimonies is that I experienced like less hair fall. Like, let me say, if I'm doing my hair, like I did my hair today, if I'm doing my hair, like, just little by little, like, just notice that where you are, like, you just like be seeing natural your hair fall on the floor. Yeah, just little bits. Yeah, but today, like, it was very, very minimal, like, in fact, close to nothing. Yeah, I did this procedure you're currently watching. I did it 2 days ago. Yeah, before this video is being uploaded today. I did it 2 days ago, and that's the testimony so far. For hair growth, I'm yet to see. It's just 2 days. Yeah, so this is it, the new recipe I just found out, and guys, I'm totally loving it. I totally love it. Like, reading about these ingredients, it just gives me joy that I decided to try it. Yeah, you can go ahead and give it a try Yeah, fam, it's really good, really, really good. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and share this video. Yeah, I always get questions like, how do you grow your hair? Because I cut my hair, that was 2021. Yeah, 2021. I cut my. For me, I think it's just a natural thing. Yeah, but then I want to try to doing all this. I want to try things, yeah, to increase the growth. I feel like I don't even see the growth, like I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to try this to see how far it's going to take my hair. Yeah, fam. So this is me. I'm done with this section and just putting it back into a roll so it stays there for me to work with the other parts of my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Do give the video a thumbs up, like, and leave me a comment. Yeah, will you try this? Will you love to give this a try? Is this something you're going to try? I suggest you read about it first. Yeah, read about the ingredients first of all. Rosemary leaves, cloves, and cinnamon. Yeah, they're very good. Very, very good. Highly recommended. Yeah. Take good care of yourself. Bye. See you next Friday. Money, money, just go to follow, go. This year, good news. Yeah. Follow, follow you, take. Everything I want in manifesting.